How to replace eggs in baking. Want to reduce cost at your bakery but still keep the functionality of eggs? Then learn all about egg replacement. What is the function of eggs in baking? Eggs consists of two parts: egg whites, which are mostly 90% water, and proteins such as albumins, mucoproteins, and globulins, and the yolk, which is composed of high lipids, fats, and lipoproteins. The functions of eggs in bakery goods include: wetting agent. Eggs provide moisture to dough or cake batter. Emulsifying. There are natural emulsifiers in the egg yolk. Gel forming. The coagulation of egg produces a gel. Binding. Eggs bring ingredients together and helps hold the batter system together. Aeration. Eggs produce foams that are essential for volume. Sensory. Eggs contributes to color, flavor, appearance, texture, and quality of bakery goods. Why replace eggs in baked goods? There are ever-growing reasons to find egg replacements in a bakery setting. One aspect is savings. While egg prices rise and fluctuate, many egg replacers can come at half the cost. A few other reasons include: supply chain issues, egg allergy, vegan diet. How to replace eggs based on function. Eggs work as thickeners and binders in baking. In bakery goods, egg white proteins are responsible for good foaming capacity, stabilization, and elasticity. Egg yolks are mainly responsible for emulsification. Here are common egg replacements. Protein. Isolated protein from chickpea, beans, peas, lentils, and lupins have been reported to have fat-for binding, water-holding capacity, solubility, gelling, foaming, and emulsifying properties. Whey protein is a well-known gelling agent and contributes to emulsification in the bakery system. Wheat gluten plays an important role in the bakery goods for holding the structure. It will help the dough rise by trapping gas bubbles during fermentation and provide the unique texture for the final bakery goods. Dairy proteins are also known to provide the building function in dough and batter systems. They are classified into whey proteins and milk proteins. Whey protein can function as the building agent in the dough system for holding structure. Other egg replacements include: hydrocolloids or gums, improves the viscosity of the product, therefore entrapping more air. This results in an improved volume. Fiber, usually contains fibrous composition for entrapping water and oil droplets. So, fiber could provide water binding capacity and emulsification property. Some fibers such as citrus or maple can provide mouthfeel for textural purpose. How to replace eggs in a sponge cake formula. The functions of eggs in sponge cake include water binding, aeration, creating structure and stability of cake batter, thickening and emulsifying. For replacing eggs in a sponge cake, ingredients with the same functions are needed: structure creation and stability, proteins; water binding, hydrocolloids and proteins; emulsifying, proteins and fiber; leavening, chemical leavening agents. Want to learn more about egg replacement and get the answers to common questions? Download the Egg Replacement Baker paper on the Baker Academy via the link in the description below. Learn more about all things baking by signing up for our newsletter. Until next time, bakers. At BAKERpedia, we're here on a need-to-know basis.